In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a subscription on ElevenLabs using various payment methods available. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and easy to follow, even if it's your first time. Let's start by logging into your ElevenLabs account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, look for the Login button on the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Enter your username and password carefully, making sure there are no typos. After filling in your information, click on Submit or Login, and you should now be logged into your account. Now that you're logged in, let's address the payment options available for purchasing a subscription. It's important to highlight that unfortunately PayPal is not offered as a payment method on ElevenLabs. However, don't worry, as there are other ways to complete your purchase seamlessly. To begin the subscription process, navigate to the subscription or pricing section of the ElevenLabs website. This area is typically easy to locate, either in the menu bar or as a prominent button on the main page. Once there, you'll find a variety of subscription options tailored to different needs. Take a moment to review these options and choose the one that best fits your requirements. After selecting your preferred subscription plan, move forward by clicking on the button labeled Purchase or Select Plan. At this stage, you'll be directed to the payment page. Here, you'll see a list of accepted payment methods, which commonly include credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. If you've chosen to use a credit card, enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Ensure that all the information you enter matches your billing details to avoid any issues during the transaction. Additionally, there might be other payment options available, like direct bank transfers or online payment services, depending on your location and ElevenLabs offerings. Take a look at these alternatives if they suit your preference better. Once you've chosen and entered the payment method details, double-check all the information to make sure it's correct. It's always a good idea to verify everything before proceeding to avoid any setbacks or issues with your subscription. When you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and click on the Pay or Subscribe button to finalize your purchase. The system will process the transaction, and once it's complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been successfully activated. Congratulations, you now have an active ElevenLabs subscription. Enjoy exploring all the features and benefits it offers. If you ever encounter any problems or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to ElevenLabs customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for purchasing your subscription on ElevenLabs.